Located in the city of Toowoomba, Queensland, Gondwana is a full-service automotive testing and development facility, incorporating an international standard mobility knowledge precinct and the Gondwana Mountain TT Circuit, the most useful and challenging homologation and prototype test circuit ever built.
This project is going to be a nationally significant project because it'll develop the motor industry in Australia that it hasn't seen since we closed down all of production in Melbourne.
Since early 2020, A+ IDIADA has been collaborating with the Gondwana team to develop and ultimately operate a class-leading, future-focused mobility R&D site and ecosystem, including a full range of test facilities and circuits, creating a powerful value proposition for the world's automotive innovators to create the next generation of mobility in Australia.
In Australia, we just have one proving ground located in the south, so there's a lack of testing facilities. Queensland and the region around Toowoomba in specific, they are offering a lot of ingredients which serve such a proving ground very well. That's the reason.
We are pleased to work with the Gondwana team to co-develop the master plan design, including selection and planning of test tracks and facilities and supporting infrastructure based on our international experience and understanding of current and future vehicle development needs.
Built from the ground up, Gondwana allows vehicle manufacturers the ability to test current and emerging vehicle technologies efficiently and securely.
Well, the automotive industry globally is being disrupted on many fronts, primarily around technology. So vehicles coming out of the factory today with sensors, with computers, with wireless communication, with automation.
Around the world, vehicle testing facilities have been based on vehicles designed 20 years ago. Now we need many technology layers.
You need high-tech facilities to test all of the technology that's embedded in motor vehicles now.
We're dealing with the new parts of the motor industry, the electric parts of the motor industry, the autonomous parts of the motor industry.
It's not just a test track going to move a car around. This is not what modern testing is. Modern testing means, for example, cybersecurity. There is a lot of high-tech testing to be done in future.
Our advantage will be that we can see that and we can design it from scratch.
You are in a position to design the facility as state-of-the-art. You will have an advantage over all the existing proving grounds.
With a full complement of R&D smart lab facilities and vehicle test beds and a cutting-edge autonomous mobility centre, Gondwana offers the most advanced testing technologies of any mobility proving ground in the world.
The Gondwana facility has equipped the latest state-of-the-art technology ecosystem. We'll be able to connect vehicles to vehicles, vehicles to the infrastructure that controls the signals on the road network.
Let's take the environmental tunnel. When I think about it, the long test track, the mountain track, just to name a few.
We are talking about a 1.2 kilometers long environmental tunnel. An environmental tunnel is offering, of course, much better opportunity to go for reproducible conditions.
Gondwana will also feature a self-contained electricity microgrid, providing an uninterrupted power supply with all power generated on the site from a mix of sustainable sources to meet the needs of the entire facility.
Electric vehicles are going to be the predominant manufactured vehicle in the future. Existing vehicle testing facilities around the world are going to struggle to meet those charging needs. We have that capability from day one. Another part of the electric vehicle world is that very large vehicles are going to become electrically powered, such as trucks. They might have a 200 kilowatt hour battery in them, and the grid would be completely unable to charge that in less than 5 or 6 hours. We will provide that capability in a fraction of the time.
Toowoomba is a diverse and multicultural regional city, offering a wealth of opportunity to both industry and residents alike. With an advanced aerospace and defence precinct, as well as the new Gondwana proving ground, Toowoomba is set to become a global epicentre of technology, transport and manufacturing. This thriving and highly capable ecosystem that has seen the growth of many new industries is a key enabler for Gondwana.
This will create a new skilled workforce to do with all the new levels of mobility that are coming.
Gondwana is a job machine, if you want to call it like that. Construction to start with. If you talk about all the companies that we intend to lure to the facility, it will be a tremendous amount of jobs.
We say it's going to be as big as the Olympics, well, it's going to be bigger than the Olympics.
That's a perfect chance for Australian engineers to get into the knowledge of the automotive industry.
SAE International is the largest and oldest standardization organization in the world. We have more than 100,000 engineers as members. There's a big research community that we can tap into in Australia, and we can work on training research activities together in a site like here in Queensland.
After 30 years of creating, managing and using proving ground and other test facilities for the world's automotive industry, IDIADA has a strong record of creating and running automotive development and testing facilities and programs.
Hello, my name is Curly Frater, the CEO and founder of Gondwana's Testing Technology Circuits Queensland. Through innovation, research and industry-leading technology, Gondwana's purpose-built mobility proving ground will pave the way for the next generation of automotive testing and certification.